3M has always had an excellent outdoor durable translucent banner. It's called the Panagraphics banner by 3M, and it's been on the media locator for years through different product lines through latex. But 3M came up with a new product recently that's specifically designed for LED backlit. I was wrong about an earlier video where I suggested the image behind me was a particular fabric. It's not a fabric. It's actually the 3M FS-1 Translucent ScrimBanner. If you look at it very carefully, you can tell that behind me is this product. This 3M FS-1 Translucent ScrimBanner, I built this preset. I constructed it for the 500 series to make sure that it would work. It's a new product from 3M, or relatively new, and it's designed so that if you use it in a traditional light box, you're going to get the same impact at running the lights with less energy. Because this is going to be much brighter. It has much better pop in a translucent environment. And if you use it with an LED backlit, you get a spectacularly bright pop. I know. I've had to adjust all the lighting and everything in this room to try to diminish the intensity of that as it comes in behind me. It's a very nice product. It works well, it has excellent quality, and it definitely allows you to either lower your energy signature so you can run your light boxes with less energy, or you can switch to an LED system, which is going to give and perfectly marry to something like this and really give you a dramatic and intense color pop that you wouldn't get from a traditional light box system. This is the 3M FS-1. I've run it on the 500 series, had no issues. Now, at the moment, there is no certified preset for this. Hopefully, we will remedy that soon. In the meanwhile, you might try the Panagraphics preset, or look for another translucent banner that would apply to this. You could also certainly try using the generic backlit profile for a backlit vinyl, and that's available on the printer itself as a generic. Or you can use the media locator and find something very similar from another company that would probably translate pretty well. And the Panagraphics also has been tested and profiled. That may work quite well on this material. 3M FS-1, they position it as either an environmental backlit or as well as a high performance. It depends how you want to look at it. I like the color pop. I think it looks great. And I've run it at multiple speeds and multiple ink loads depending how much intensity I'm going to need based upon the light box.